Hi there! In this video, we'll learn about the Lightning App Builder. What is Lightning App Builder and types of Lightning pages? Lightning App Builder is a tool in Salesforce that lets you create custom user interfaces for your apps using a simple drag-and-drop interface. It helps build pages that fit your business needs without needing to write any code. In Lightning App Builder, you can create three main types of Lightning pages: app pages, record pages, and home pages. Why do we use Lightning App Builder? We use Lightning App Builder to make our Salesforce experience more user-friendly and to show the right data to the right people. For example, a sales manager can build a custom page that shows sales performance charts, recent deals, and team tasks, all in one place. Types of Lightning pages. App page. An app page is used to create a one-page app experience. It's perfect for showing multiple components like reports, dashboards, or lists of records in a single view. Record page. A record page displays information for a specific record, like an account or opportunity. It's useful for adding related information, actions, and charts around the main record. Home page. A home page is like a personalized dashboard for your users. You can include things like tasks, recent items, and custom charts to help users get a quick overview of their work. Real-time example. Let's say a sales manager wants to build a custom record page for the opportunity object. They want to show a list of contacts related to the opportunity, a chart displaying the sales pipeline, and a custom action button to quickly create follow-up tasks. With the Lightning App Builder, the sales manager can quickly create this record page. How to create a Lightning page in Salesforce. To create a Lightning page, navigate to Setup. Search for Lightning App Builder in the Quick Find box. Select Lightning App Builder. Click New to start creating a new Lightning page. Choose the type of page you want to create: app page, record page, or home page. Let's create a record page. Label the page as Opportunity Record Page. Select the opportunity object for our example. Choose a page template that suits your needs. Choose a header and left sidebar. Click Done. Drag and drop components onto the canvas. Let's add a highlight panel component, a related list, and an activities component. Once you've added and configured all the components, click Save. Click Activate to make this Lightning page available to your users. Select App Default. Click on Assign as App Default. Select the app for which you want to assign, for our example Sales. Click Next. Select the form factor as Desktop and Phone. Click Next. Review assignment and click Save. Navigate to your Sales app. Select Opportunities. Select an opportunity. You can see the customized record page with the necessary components. And that's it. With Lightning App Builder, you can create custom pages to improve your Salesforce experience for different users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Salesforce guides. See you next time. This is Naveen signing off.